In other news, the Hunts Bay police are yet to make a breakthrough in their investigation of a shooting on Payne Avenue, Kingston 12, in which a 12-year-old boy, Dion Costa, was killed and 3 others injured. Reports are that about 7:45 p.m., Dion was among a group of persons standing on Payne Avenue when a man on foot opened gunfire at the group. The 4 persons went to hospital where Dion died while being treated. Investigators are appealing to those with information to tell what they know. The police officers at the center of the murder trial for the so-called death squad may know their fate this week. The delay came on Friday after one of the jurors developed medical problems. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has details.
Friday was supposed to be a key day in the murder trial of Corporal Kevin Adams and Constable Jerome White, who are before the courts for the shooting death of Anthony Trout in Clarendon. But the day's activity, the case summation, did not get far because one of the jurors said she felt sick. Trial Judge Marcia Dunbar Green halted the proceedings and asked the juror if she wanted medical attention, to which she said no. The juror instead asked that they take a few minutes break to allow her to compose herself. When they eventually returned, the judge restarted the case summation. She told the jurors to decide for themselves if Mr. Trout was in fact dead. She reminded them of the autopsy reports done by a doctor and told them to use it to guide their decision. But the judge had to stop again shortly after. The same juror, apparently struggling to breathe, asked for another medical break. One attorney at that point joked, quote, "Obi our work." The judge then allowed the jurors an hour break and instructed that medical attention be sought for the juror. But the juror's condition did not improve enough for a third restart, so the trial judge adjourned his sitting until Monday. It is hoped that by then she will complete her case summation and hand the matter to the jurors for them to return a verdict. Corporal Adams and Constable White are accused of being members of a death squad that killed Anthony Trout in Racetrack, Clarendon. It is alleged that Mr. Trout was shot dead by the cops in February 2012 during an operation targeting men involved in the guns for drugs trade between Jamaica and Haiti. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.